and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shamela and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Today let's make Tandoori chicken karahi. It's a relatively simple curry but it has many flavors and it's a bit different. The ultimate combo for Tandoori chicken karahi is a butter naan and it goes well with homemade roti or rice and it tastes absolutely delicious. So let's begin. Bismillah. First I'm going to make the marinade. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon curd, 1/4 teaspoon red color, 1 tablespoon ghee and mix it up nicely. And now rub it over the entire chicken. Add 1 tablespoon mustard oil and mix this nicely. And next give charcoal smoke. Place red hot burning charcoal on top of the foil. Drizzle few drops of oil and I'm going to close the lid and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you are done, remove the charcoal and marinate this chicken for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Second step is to heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place all the marinated chicken pieces and shallow fry on medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes on one side. And now turn the chicken pieces, cook for another 10 minutes till the water absorbs. Third step is to add 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Goes in 1 tablespoon butter. Once it starts melting, add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for few seconds. And now I'm going to add 3 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix it up nicely. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt. Cook this for a minute till tomatoes become mushy. And now I'm going to add half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder and a pinch of garam masala. Mix it up nicely. And now add leftover marinated masala. Give this a nice mix. And now I'm going to add some water and cook this for a minute in a slow flame. Fourth step is to add the roasted chicken pieces. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon roasted kasuri methi. 2 finely chopped green chillies and some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Adjust salt as per your taste. You can also add fresh cream to make it more creamy. And now I'm going to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes and it is ready to serve. And now transfer this tandoori chicken karahi in a serving plate. Garnish with some freshly chopped coriander leaves or green chillies. Serve this with butter naan or homemade rotis. If you happen to have any leftover tandoori pieces, simply freeze it and next day you make this karahi. It tastes absolutely delicious. You will love it. Make sure you try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comments below. You can also follow me on my Instagram page to see more tasty and delicious recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you next time. Take care and have a nice day.